sing in the morning light, leaves whisper in the gentle breeze. A babbling brook plays a sweet note, nature's harmony, so easy to please. Sunbeams dance upon the trees, shadows play, the day begins. Each leaf, each flower, every breeze is a melody pure and kind. In this peaceful place I find my peace. Where nature sings, my spirit releases. Every step, every breath, a new release. In nature's arms my soul does release. With every chirp, with every breeze, I feel the world so full of ease. The sun above, the sky so blue, nature's harmony, my true cue. Let go of worries, let go of fear. In nature's arms we find our cheer. The birds and brook, they guide us well. In nature's embrace we can tell. As the day turns into night, stars twinkle, the moon takes flight. In this quiet, peaceful sight, nature's harmony, a soothing light. With the moon's glow, the world's calm, I walk under the starry balm. Every moment, every step, nature's harmony, a perfect plan. In this peaceful place I find my peace. My nature sings, my spirit releases. Every step, every breath, a new release. In nature's arms my soul does release. With every joy, with every praise, I feel the world so full of ease. The sun